Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. I know what you're thinking. I know I said that I'm gonna be, I'll see you guys on Monday. Hold on real quick. My dry throat. Feeling a bit parched. Okay, before I discuss what's going on, here's what we have for brunch. We have some spaghetti, Beyond Spaghetti. So I used you guys, it's much cheaper if you buy the Beyond Patty Burger, the round preformed patty burger, and then mix it in with your spaghetti rather than buying the block. The block is about $8. The patties is about $5 and some change, and it's a pound. They're both weigh the same, but it's cheaper to buy the patty and just break them up in your spaghetti. We also have some garlic cheesy bread. I just spit. We also have some garlic cheesy bread right here and some provolone style cheese. Just, my goodness, you guys, just look at these garlic bread. Just look how beautiful they are. Check that out. Oh, get into that. Oh, yeah. Here. Go ahead, take a bite. Look at that. Just look. Every angle. I've also buttered them too. Look at that crushed. And then I forgot the fork. I'll be right back, you guys. Be right back. All right. Where was I? Okay. Oh, yeah. So good. So good. But first, I want to do some shout outs real quick. All right. So this shout out is for Valentina. She always comes through in her comment section. I also want to shout out. This one is a new person that it's a channel. Maybe I have to go check them out. It's called Seawits World. I want to shout out to them for visiting. Also, Annette Gale. She's a regular commenter or a visitor to my channel. Thank you so much for visiting. And then I have some bots, okay? For the bots, just skit scat. I'm tired of deleting you guys. You guys just keep popping up. Who else is up in here? Wow, that's a lot of bots. Charlotte Divine Beauty. Hello. Just shout out to you. And this is what she said. This is what I found so funny. She says, PitaChew, what's going on with the comments? In parentheses, Hopple, who these people? My goodness, laughing out loud. Man, what has changed? See, I've been gone too long. No need. Okay, we need order in the court. We sure do. What else? Who else I'm going to shout out? I think that's it. The most of them are bots. I have a lot of bots. Anyways, This shout out is from my recent video, which was my Friday video, yesterday's video. So I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more later on, but that's all I see. Shout out for them. Thank you so much for visiting. Oh. Did they have questions? Valentino, she says, you do have a bunch of... Okay, so yesterday's video was the burger, whatever. I think Beyond Burger mushroom. And I said it's my favorite. So I've always say this, the certain food I eat is like my favorite for the moment. She goes, you do have a bunch of favorites for sure. 2 uploads a day was quite ambitious. By the way, but you rocked it anyway. That comment was reference to me stopping daily uploading because I was getting overwhelmed. Overwhelmed for sure, but as far as priority, it's the priority part that it's affecting my uploads. So that being said, I did think about it overnight, and I can for sure do daily uploads. I just have to organize and structure and follow my schedule like I plan to follow it. That's it. Forget the excuses. So forget what I said yesterday, okay? I am back to daily uploads. Forget the schedule I said. What did I say? Friday, Wednesday, and Monday or something like that. Forget that. It is daily, okay? I just need some kind of a... That's what I need. I need an assistant. Not only that, you guys, I procrastinate a lot. I need help. I am a procrastinator, okay? I'm pretty sure you guys are aware of it by now. Because I was supposed to do a giveaway, a CashApp giveaway. Remember that? Remember that video like a month ago? Oh, you guys. Anyway, you guys just bear with me. Not only that, on my other channel, you guys, my main channel, my Beat the Flakes channel, I am I'm going to be doing some vlogs on that channel, all right? I think I'm going to introduce you guys more into my life. Vlogging in that channel. Vlogging in some form of flaking if I have flakes. I will try to show it because I told you guys before that it's really time consuming recording the flakes. Usually takes me about 2 hours to film a flaking video, okay? And since I've done mukbang and ASMR mukbang, the two channels, my time is very, very, very limited to scratching, okay? That's the only reason why you don't see a lot of scratching videos. That being said, I'm going to be vlogging on that channel too, because I feel like it needs some... I feel like you guys need to know me. Excuse me. Me. A little bit into my life. Okay? Just a little bit. So please don't jump ship, okay? Just stay there because you will get the flakes and a little bit of mold. Also, okay, this video is turning out to be a rant video. But I honestly try not to rant or whatever you call it, complain. But you guys, my competition for my duffel bag, it feels like I'm going backwards. You know what I mean? Like I need to get, I should have just get rid of it. Anyways, here's the thing. We're trying to get to 100K on my Beat the Flakes channel. By 100K, that's when I officially pick a winner. Pick one of my subscribers and mail it off to them. So it's been months that we are waiting for that 100K special. So I was doing a lot of thinking. I'm like, I'm pretty sure people are just getting maybe a little frustrated waiting for the 100K because it seems like it's taking forever. And I know some of you guys already entered to the competition. But just remember, you guys, as long as you're subscribed, as long as you follow the rules for that competition, you guys are in no matter how long it will take to get there, 200K. But I just wish it get there sooner so that I can, you know, pull out the drawing. Oh, forgot all about my cheesy bread. Let me see if there's anybody comment. I want to shout out to Tanya Williams, Big Racks Small Bites. That's another YouTuber I follow. They're a mukbang couple. Very funny, very happy, happy-go-lucky. They always laugh and smile. You guys go check them out. Their channel is called Big Racks Small Bites with a Z at the end. Also want to shout out to Donna. She's always here, y'all. Another YouTuber called Sela ASMR. She's awesome. Go check her out. You guys, I'm not kidding when I say bots. See those fake accounts? They're all over. Anyhow, let me finish this up. This video is getting too long. You guys, my video, the longest I've tried to extend the video would be 20 minutes, okay? I'm not trying to go to like 30 minutes and stuff like that because apparently I can't keep you guys entertained for that long. I think I have too much carbs over here. Not only that, I don't have an appetite. It's funny, when I was preparing the food, I was really hungry. I'm gonna snack on this later on tonight. I can't do it. Ooh, that carbonated water. It's getting to me. Ooh. All right, you guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in for brunch. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing? Click on the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video, which is every day, okay? Every day at 11:30 in the morning. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon, okay? Ofatu, you can go.